Feskerma is Misha Beth.
Hello, is Misha Murachug.
Kimada Hasha, Smisha Keenan.
Hello, Kimada How. Hemi Gleva is Misha Nina. Hemi Keher Bleak Najig.
Hami Kea Giag.
Hemi Cree Bleak Najig.
I did it last year. I enjoyed it a lot. Met new people, and I just absolutely loved it.
It's been a wonderful experience, and I've gotten to learn lots of Gaelic so far.
I started learning more because knowing more than one language is beneficial to people. I would like to continue with Gaisgich Òga because I learned a lot from it and I made a lot of friends, but I think that I still have more to learn and more friends to make. I enjoyed Gaisgich because it was something that I learned from and that I felt a connection with, and I thank you, Agus Tapalek Gamor.
Istalum Gaelic Gamod. He Miri Stu, Tapalay, Denakai.